It's been very good, enjoyable, actually speaking to other customers with the actual MFT product, and I've learned some other things that have been really good so far.
E-invoicing, which I really liked it, the way they're explaining the entire process.
Always great to kind of learn about updates, talk to other people.
Yeah, so the summit was informative and it was actually a lot of fun as well.
And the winner is...
It was good to speak with peers, with bigger companies that use the same technology as we use today. It learns us how to scale up and how to grow.